How to fix battery draining too fast in Windows 11. Hey there, this is Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's begin. So first and foremost, let's go and tap on our Windows icon and search for settings, or go to the settings icon from here. Now in the search bar, what you have to do is you have to search for battery. Now just go ahead and give it a tap. Now tap on turn battery saver on or off, and make sure that your battery saver is on. Right now you can see my battery saver is on currently. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to find multiple options here that you can give it a try, but most probably we are going to find some background uses of the application. Here you can see the battery uses right here. Now I want to see the background app uses, but it didn't allow me to tap on the three dot icon. So we will go ahead and give another method a try here. So we will just go out of the settings first, and in the search bar search for edit policy, or you can also type in edit group policy right here. Now just go ahead and tap on the suggestion right here. So once you give it a tap, something like this will pop up. Let's extend the left side right here. Now tap on administrative template option from right here under computer configuration. So just double tap it. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Windows component, which is at the very bottom. From here at the right hand side, go ahead and tap on the settings option, and then scroll down until you find the option of search. So scroll down until you find the S alphabet here. It is alphabetically. Now tap on search. From this list, we are searching for prevent background uses. So let's scroll down to the alphabet P here. Now I'm doing very gently so that I don't miss it. Here I can see the P alphabet finally popping up. There you will find prevent indexing when battery use or something like that. Here let me show you the option very clearly. There we go, the option of prevent indexing when running on battery power. Now just tap on it. Now make sure it is enabled and tap on apply, or you can even tap on OK here. Now once you do that, what you can do next is you can go to the Windows and go to your settings once again. Now from here, what we have to do is we have to reduce the screen time here. So go ahead and search for battery. Now it will suggest some of the feature, and choose the when to turn off the screen here. Now tap on that and make sure to reduce the time consumption here. Right now it is in 3 minutes, that's just fine. Now go ahead and choose the 10-minute option right here and tap on this drop box. Now reduce it to 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or whatever you wish for. And by doing this, the battery consumption will be relatively low. And that's quite it for how to fix battery draining too fast in Windows 11. Hopefully you will give all of this a try, and thank you so much for watching.